This updated home is in a wonderful rural setting, but only minutes to shopping and commerce. Home was built in 2000 and purchased by the sellers in 2014. They put a new roof on in 2018. They replaced HVAC and hot water tank in 2014. The kitchen has granite countertops with white cabinets. New interior paint with updated flooring and carpet. Home is very spacious and the lot is just over 3/4 acre. There are 3 outbuildings and a chicken coop with chickens that actually lay eggs. The kitchen has stainless steel appliances and the fridge will be included with the sale. There is a bonus room in the basement that could be a media room, teen suite or a home office. All big ticket items have been addressed. This home has space inside and out to entertain and enjoy.